Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. Our lead story Jay is about PM Modi unveils India's first fully made in India Vikram 32-bit processor at Semicon India 2025. Truecaller has upgraded its caller ID with AI-powered insights, offering users real-time contextual information beyond just the caller's name. The new system detects potential fraud, spam, and business categories while generating AI-based summaries of user comments. According to Global CEO Rishi Junjunwala, the feature provides clarity on why someone is calling, helping users make informed decisions. Unlike traditional ID systems, Truecaller's AI continuously analyzes billions of signals from calls, messages, and feedback globally, enhancing safety, trust, and relevance for users worldwide. Truecaller Krutrim, Ola's AI subsidiary, has laid off around 50 employees from its linguistics team in its third round of job cuts since June. The affected staff include team leads and transcribers working on regional languages like Bengali, Malayalam, and Punjabi. With these cuts, over 200 employees, including several senior leaders, have exited the company this year. The move comes as Krutrim completes its data annotation phase and shifts focus towards building its large scale language model, Krutrim 3. The company has described the layoffs as part of a strategic realignment to create leaner, more focused teams. Krutrim Mukesh Ambani-led Reliance Jio is celebrating its ninth anniversary on September 5, 2025, with a user base of 500 million. To mark the milestone, Jio has launched a Rs 349 celebration plan, offering 2 GB data per day, unlimited calls, and 100 SMS daily. Users will also enjoy benefits worth over Rs $3,000, including Jio Hotstar, Jio Saavn, Zomato Gold, NetMeds First, and travel and shopping discounts. Additionally, Jio is offering free unlimited 5G data from September 5 to 7 for all 5G smartphone users, with exclusive rewards for postpaid and long-term plan subscribers. Mukesh Samsung has officially launched the Galaxy Tab S11 and Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, bringing powerful upgrades in design, performance, and productivity. The Tab S11 features an 11-inch AMOLED 2X display, while the Ultra packs a massive 14.6-inch screen with anti-reflection coating. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, both models ship with up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage. The refreshed S-Pen supports enhanced tilt angles, while DeX Extended Mode allows multi-screen app usage. Running One UI 8 with Android 16, both tablets come with 7 years of updates. Samsung Apple is reportedly developing an AI-driven web search tool for Siri, codenamed World Knowledge Answers, to deliver conversational ChatGPT-like responses. According to Bloomberg, the revamped Siri will feature three components: a planner to analyze queries, an AI-powered search engine to retrieve results, and a summarizer to present concise answers. While Apple's foundation models will handle core processing, the summarizer may use Google's Gemini AI model, tested on Apple's private cloud compute servers. The upgraded Siri is expected to launch with iOS 26.4 in March 2026, alongside Safari and Spotlight integration. Apple is OpenAI has expanded its projects feature in ChatGPT to free users, previously exclusive to paid subscribers. Projects let users organize conversations by topic, set custom AI instructions, and control which files or information the AI references. Free users can now upload up to 5 files per project, while Plus and Pro users get 25 and 40 files, respectively. The update also allows custom colors and icons for each project. Available on web and Android, OpenAI plans to roll out projects to iOS users in the coming days, enhancing productivity and personalization. iTool of the day is Luca is an AI-powered design tool that helps users create professional logos, brand kits, and marketing materials with ease. By simply entering your company name and choosing style preferences, Luca generates multiple logo designs using artificial intelligence. Users can customize fonts, colors, and layouts in a user-friendly interface. Luca also offers a complete brand kit including business cards, social media assets, and website templates. It's ideal for startups, entrepreneurs, and small businesses seeking quick, affordable branding solutions without needing graphic design experience. iTool of the day is Looka is an AI-powered design tool that helps users create professional logos, brand kits, and marketing materials with ease. By simply Our lead story is about PM Modi unveils India's first fully made in India Vikram 32-bit processor at Semicon India 2025. Union IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw presented Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Vikram 32-bit processor, India's first fully indigenously made microprocessor, at Semicon India 2025 in New Delhi. Developed by ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and the Semiconductor Laboratory, Chandigarh, the chip is built to withstand space conditions and was successfully tested during the PSLV-C60 mission. Fabricated at Mohali's Semiconductor Hub, it can handle advanced memory and calculations, making it suitable for space, defense, automotive, and energy sectors. Modi hailed semiconductors as the new digital diamond powering India's tech future. Our That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Rini Gupta signing off from IT Voice.